Okay guys, I'm going to hold my friend's phone. Excalibur! Unexcalibur! Unacceptable! Do not drop it, alright? Okay. Stupid, quick! You hold it now. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. Bro! Look at the whooping sound. Ah! Oh my god! You roll the camera. What? You do the video. What? I do the stick thing. Bro! Can we trade? Yeah, sure. So beautiful. Yeah. Hey guys, look, I gave him a long ass stick. What the hell am I doing? Biggest stick in the world. Show it to the camera. This. It's still recording if it's black screen. Look, it's taller. Look, it looks like I have no leg. Yeah. Because my pants is black. That's why it looks like that I don't have legs. Let's get this in 3, 2, 1. Ay, what the hell? What the hell? Hello, guys. What the hell? May what? Look at your flash. Bro, what the? What the fuck? Matches. It's like and that pickaxe. Now, are you gonna farm? Is that a hole? Is that a hole? Oh my god! Hello.
Penny,
Yeah?
we need to leave because there's no washroom here, so we need to go to a house where we can. Kasi there's no washroom here. Okay? You can pause the video.
Are you gonna leave now?
We'll be back.
Okay. Gonna wee wee.